Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm pretty late again getting this out tonight. I'm going to tell you, honestly, I'm pretty upset tonight. It's not about these markets, and I'm just going to make this short and sweet as I can. Um, you can see here what happened with the Dow. The Dow um, made new record highs again today. Actually got above 31,000 and then retreated quite a bit uh, the last couple of hours. But even with the retreat, the close is still at record highs. Uh, if you're following the news, it was a crazy day. Uh, and unfortunately, this was amplified by the media and Twitter and Facebook and the usual gang. But what happened is the stock market making all-time gains here. A few dozen um, people that were at the Trump rally in Washington D.C. breached the Capitol, got inside, and this was presented by the media as being like a invasion, a coup attempt, or whatever, and it spooked um, the markets, and we had this sell-off. The only real violence that took place uh, in that so-called invasion was a um, Air Force female Air Force veteran was shot by the Capitol Police. Other than that, it was pretty much uh, just shenanigans and didn't really amount to much. But it has been blown up by the media as being something really horrible, and that spooked the markets. Uh, it caused some unusual equity thing for us. We had $5,000 positive in open trade yesterday, and because of this huge surge at the beginning of the day, we got out of those 15 positions with positive almost $36,000. So we had huge gains on our existing position getting out as a result of this surge at the beginning of the day. Unfortunately, this big push up here, the stocks are just in the stratosphere up here. We bought a bunch of new positions, 20 positions no less, and then those all failed on this backing off, which was actually more extreme with our positions, and we end up with 20 positions, 7 positive, 13 negative, and negative 32,000. So we closed out 36,000 getting out, but we're holding negative 32,000 uh, overnight till tomorrow. I'm hesitant to say this because people are going to get mad. I had incredible luck today because all the buying we'd been doing used up my buying power, and so on my automated accounts that I have several, uh, I got out of profits on this upswing, but didn't have any money out here, so the platform wouldn't let me purchase these bad stocks up here. So I did better than the system did. But I'm reporting to you here in the video exactly what the system did. And it basically did a little better than break even so far today. Now, I will tell you, I think that things have calmed down now in Washington, and it's a good chance that those 20 positions with negative $32,000 will come back somewhat tomorrow. I think we'll get out of those much better than negative 32,000, but we'll have to see. Incidentally, the Dow officially closed up 437 points, if I didn't say that already. Let me just show you a couple of stocks here that illustrates what happened. This is typical of those stocks that we got out of that contributed to those $36,000 in profits. This is MARA, Marathon Patent Group. We bought this yesterday, 2 hours into the day, and then big jump up today. We got out of that with positive $12,300, and then we got re-entered into the thing, and unlike almost everything else, a Marathon Patent Group stayed up here, and we're up $228 on that re-entry, but at least it didn't go south, you know. So obviously that was a very good trade, but I'm going to tell you, this is what killed the system. This is Pola, P-O-L-A, Polar Power Incorporated. We had bought this with 2-3 hours to go yesterday, and then it pops up very nicely this morning, and we got out of that with $4,200, and then this spike up, just as you know, the Dow was basically climaxing up here, we got re-entered, and then all the news about the Capitol invasion came out, and this thing just really collapsed. So we're holding negative $6,700. So we close out 4,000, but we got negative 6,000, and we're still holding it. Hopefully this will pop up some. It's quite a bit better in the aftermarket, and as I say, I think cooler heads might prevail by tomorrow morning's open. We'll just have to see. Anyway, it was an insane day. What can I say? This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.